Hey guys, today I'm going to show you this really good banana bread brownie recipe that I made. All of the ingredients will be listed below the video. So the first thing that I'm going to do is use my mixer to mash my bananas until they're smooth, and then we're going to add in our melted butter. Once we've mixed those together nicely, we're going to add in our baking soda and salt. Then we're going to add in our sugar, our egg, and our vanilla extract. And the last thing we're going to add to our mix is going to be our flour. We're going to go ahead and pour this into our prepared dish, and next up is starting our brownie mix. The first thing that I'm going to do is add our warm melted butter to our mixing bowl and slowly add in our cocoa powder and our sugar. After about 30 seconds of mixing, I'm going to crack our eggs, add in our vanilla and our salt. We'll follow that up by adding in our flour slowly. And we're going to wait until our flour is fully incorporated before we start adding in our chocolate chips. And now we're ready to start scooping our brownie batter on top of our banana bread batter. I'm going to use a butter knife to swirl my batters together. Then we're going to go ahead and pop this in the oven at 350 for about 55 to 60 minutes. And here's what our brownies should look like when they come out. This is a great recipe if you've got some extra bananas on hand and don't feel like making the same old banana bread.